are you doing? I am Daddy the Guitarist. Welcome to this tutorial, the Church Seben. This tutorial is for the beginners. The beginners who are interested in playing Seben but they are stuck. At some point they are stuck. Awajui waanze aje, okay? So this is just a guide. This is just a guide that you will use to create your own rhythms, to create your own Sebens, to create your own stuff, okay? You can just use this guide. You can just use this guide as your starting point, okay? So I'm going to show you that intro part, and it's very easy, okay? And it's very, very, very easy. This is what I want you to do. I want you to come to the actual. I'm playing in the key of. So as I was saying, this thing is very easy. This is how you play it. This is how you play this thing. Come to the 12th fret. Come to the 12th fret. Come to the 13th fret. I want you to come to the 13th fret and place your first finger on the 13th fret. Make sure your first finger is playing the 4th string, the 3rd string, the 2nd string, and the 1st string. Okay. Second step, I want you to place your second finger on the 14th fret, 2nd string. Third step, I want you to place your 4th finger on the 15th fret, 4th string. And then I want you to pluck from the bottom 4 strings. Don't pluck just pluck the bottom 3 strings. Don't pluck string 1. And then I want you to remove your second finger and the 3rd finger. Play those notes 4, 3, 2. Alright? Now you're getting something. Okay. Now, when you're left with this one, when you're left with this first finger here on the 13th fret, I want you to add your pinky finger on the 16th fret. I want you to add your pinky finger on the 16th fret and then play now. Play now. Now remember you've added the first string, okay? The A B note. You added the A B note with your pinky. So I want you to play string 4, string 3, string 2, and now add string 1. So this is our starting point, alright? Now go to the second step, which is, go to the third step, which is, are you seeing it? Now we are left with one more step. One more step. I want you to come to the, now this shape here, this shape I always call it the third shape, okay? This shape I always call it the third shape. Shape 3, alright? Shape 3. So I want you to come to what I call shape 2. Alright, shape 2, what do you do in shape 2? Very simple. Shape 2. I want you to come to the key of EB, fret number 15, 16, 17. Come to fret number 15, 16, 17. Alright, take your first finger, place it on fret number 15. The way you did it here, just do it here, fret number 15. Take a second finger, the way you did it here, I want you to do it here. Take a second finger, place it on fret 16, 2nd string. Take your third finger, place it on fret 17, 4th string. Now play. Don't engage string 1, don't engage string 1. Play string 4, 3, 2. Now I want you to go back to shape 3. I'm sorry, shape 3, first step. Shape 3, first step. So repeat, then go to shape 2. Now you've understood the first step. Now let's get into some more serious stuffs. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. Start it like this. I want you to play. Okay, So I want you to play fret number 16, that calit, the pinky, that A B note. I want you to play it like this. And then after playing it, release, and then play again, and then play string 2 fret number 14, and then play string number 2 fret number 16. So you have now bring that shape that I've shown you, shape 3, and then all right, okay, this is what you do. Now this is what I want you to do. Bring that shape 3 like this. But now I want you to remove your third finger from the F note. I want you to remove your third finger from the F note, 15th fret. All right? And bring your third finger to the same fret, 15th fret, but now play the third string. Okay? All right. So you have that shape, So I want you to slide from fret number 14, 15, fret number 14, 15 to fret number 16, 17. All right. And what are we sliding? You're sliding string number 2 and string number 3, respectively, fret number 14, fret number 15. So those strings. So you slide them like this. Then go back. Fret number 14, 15, fret number 16, 17. So I want you to do it like this, and then go back, and then so up to there. All right, now after doing that, you do so. Okay, and then immediately after doing that, I want you to enter shape 2. And then add your pinky finger on the 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th fret. Pinky finger, add it on the B sharp note, 18th fret, first string, B sharp note. Okay, so just follow the procedure that I showed you when we started the lesson. Okay, let me repeat. Now when you're entering shape 2, also use, when you have done, enter with string number 4 like this.